Today I'm having a hands-on workshop on fairy garden terrariums. These are open terrariums where a lot of miniature plants and artifacts or showpiece or curios are put in, and it creates a kind of a fantasy landscape or a normal landscape where you see around here. So to make a basic terrarium, you need, like, say, sand, soil, miniature plants, and to enhance the beauty or the aesthetic part of it, we use moss. And then there are a lot of other things what we use, like from driftwood to polished or stone stones. And then to enhance the beauty of it, we create a story around the landscape. Like here is the story of Snow White and the Seven Dwarfs, where they are in the woods, and you see the landscape is created in such a way that they surround the Snow White. And here are some of the open fairy gardens done by the participants. So each one have their own story behind, where one of them did a terrarium with the idea of thinking about a daughter, one with say a seascape, or one just a landscape with driftwood and plants. Yeah. So here we have a glass terrarium, where these are open fairy gardens. We have a glass terrarium with a cactus, driftwood, and stone inlay. And also we use miniature plant. These are dwarf palms. They will grow to the height of 8 to 10 inches. And this is a very good showpiece to be kept on a dining table or indoors. And these are all low maintenance plants what we have here.
Class, and I am from Benalim. So I have made this open fairy garden, and one inside a glass aquarium kind of thing is going on here. So to make this, we prepared the soil base. We mixed a lot of things. We used river soil, garden soil, and some ash also, and obviously compost. And then we have put a moss layer and a couple of plants and a girl who is just walking towards the rock, and someone else is smiling towards her. Okay, and here we have this one. We are like in the process of sticking the stones to the glass, and it will turn up very good. You guys will see later. So yeah, overall it was a good experience.
Me, I've come from Bugmalo for this workshop. We had a wonderful day today. I did this. It's my daughter playing around in the garden, and we had a glass terrarium class also. We really had a great time with Ray.